In this video, I'm looking at negative numbers. We also refer to them as directed numbers. So these are numbers that are less than 0. If we're talking about integers, we're talking about the negative ones, positive. We include 0 and whole numbers. We can use a number line to display our negative numbers as well. So if we wanted to show -3, we could pop a little dot on -3. That's the kind of thing that we will be looking at. We can also use those number lines to help us work out answers to questions involving negative numbers or directed numbers. So when I do these ones, I like to set up a vertical number line just because it makes it a little bit easier to picture what's happening. So if I've got -5, I can pop that over here on my number line. And if I'm adding 2 to it, that means I'm going up 2 on my number line. So I get to -3. If I've got -1 and I'm adding 4 to that, I'm going to go up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm going to get to +3. The next one I've got is starting at 3 and I'm going to go down 7. So I'm going to pop this on this side. So I've got a bit more space to show that. So I'm at 3 and I'm going to go down 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that takes me to -4. Now the last one I've got is at -2 and I'm going down 3. So I've got my -2 here and I'm going to go down 3. 1, 2, 3, and that gets me to -5.